Have you ever wondered what makes a relationship happy and sustainable? Is it about grand gestures, or perhaps it's the simple yet meaningful actions that count? Welcome to The Vector, where we will explore the golden keys that help build and maintain healthy relationships. Because a happy relationship doesn't come from complexity, but from simple principles that are easy to apply in everyday life. Whether you are looking for ways to improve your current relationship or simply want to establish new connections, this video will provide you with practical and effective suggestions. Join us on a journey to discover the secrets of lasting relationships, where love, listening, and respect form a solid foundation. Part 1. Listening and Understanding. Have you ever felt like you're talking to a wall? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this digital age, listening is not just about hearing, but also about feeling and understanding. It's like savoring a good cup of coffee. You don't just smell the aroma, but you also appreciate every subtle flavor. Listening truly is an art, where you focus on the other person instead of constantly staring at your phone screen. Imagine that every time you listen to someone, you're opening a new door, entering their world. When you listen with both your mind and heart, everything becomes clearer. Not just sounds, but also emotions and deeper meanings. This not only helps you understand the other person better, but also makes you an ideal friend or partner. So how can you become a great listener? Start by fully focusing on the conversation, maintaining eye contact, and asking sincere questions. Treat each conversation as an opportunity to learn and grow. And once you've listened, strive to understand. This means putting yourself in the other person's shoes, feeling what they are experiencing. Understanding helps dissolve misunderstandings and creates deeper connections. Are you ready to become a great listener? Remember, when you listen and understand, you not only build relationships, but also foster trust and respect. Now let's continue exploring the next principles to build happy and enduring relationships. Let's go. Part 2. Trust and Honesty. Do you remember the story of the magic mirror that always told the truth? In real life, there's no such mirror, but we have something far more powerful: trust and honesty. Trust is like a bridge connecting two hearts, the foundation for all sustainable relationships. When you build trust, you create a safe space where everyone can be themselves without fear of judgment. To gain trust, honesty is the key. Honesty is not just about telling the truth, but also about living authentically with yourself and others. This means being ready to admit mistakes, willing to apologize, and accepting the truth even when it's hard to hear. Remember, trust takes time to build, but can be broken in an instant. Therefore, always respect your words and maintain your honesty. Honesty also means communicating clearly and transparently. Don't let negative thoughts and unspoken words create gaps in your relationships. Instead, share your feelings openly and sincerely. A relationship built on the foundation of trust and honesty is not only solid, but can also withstand any challenge. It's like a lighthouse, always shining and guiding the way even in the darkest times. Now, prepare to move on to the next part, where we'll explore how respect and empathy strengthen relationships. Let's continue our journey. Part 3. Respect and Empathy. Have you ever heard the saying, "Treat others the way you want to be treated"? This is the foundation of respect and empathy in all relationships. Respect is how you show the value of others in your eyes. It's not just about listening to their opinions, but also accepting differences. Remember, everyone has their perspectives and ways of life. And that's what makes each person unique. Imagine a world where everyone is the same. How boring would that be? Mutual respect helps us learn and grow, creating an environment where everyone can thrive. Empathy is the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes, to understand their feelings and experiences. When you empathize, you see beyond the surface and feel the depth of the story. Empathy helps break down barriers and creates genuine connections. It's like reaching out to help someone when they're in trouble, not just with words, but with actions. When you respect and empathize with others, you not only build a strong relationship, but also create a circle of love and support for each other. This is how you and those around you can overcome any challenge together. We have explored simple yet crucial principles to build and maintain happy relationships. These golden keys are not just secrets to improving your current relationships, but also the foundation for expanding and establishing new connections in life. Remember, a sustainable relationship doesn't just come from love, but also from listening, trust, respect, and empathy. These core values help you and your loved ones build a life full of meaning and happiness. When we apply these principles in our daily lives, we not only see our relationships grow stronger, but also see ourselves become better versions every day. And finally, remember this saying: love is not just a feeling, but an action, a decision to nurture and maintain every day. Let these simple principles guide you, helping you create memorable and love-filled relationships. Thank you for joining The Vector. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread this positive message to more people. See you in the next videos. And remember, life is always more beautiful when we know how to love and connect.